Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Instagram broadcast channel. So to create and use an Instagram broadcast channel, you need to follow these steps. So first thing, you want to open up your Instagram application. And before that, you also make sure that you don't have a personal account and it is professional account. So you cannot create a broadcast channel if you have a personal account. So switch your account type. After which, click on the initials or just click on a DMs icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And what next you want to do is here, you simply want to click on the pencil shape icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And then there comes these create channel options. Now I do not have these options as this particular feature isn't available at the moment in my country. So here you'll be able to find these create channel options. So all you need to do is you just need to go and click on the button and add a person that you want to. And likewise, you have to go ahead and provide the channel details, that is name of your channel, make it relevant, your content, choose an audience, set and date and event, and decide whether to show or not. And then tap on create in the top right. And that is how you'll be able to use Instagram broadcast channel. So this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.